Hey, what's up? So, I'm at the gym right now, but I'm here to talk a little bit about cryptocurrency and the current fall. So, yeah, things are falling, right? The SEC in America apparently disapproved of ETF, which is causing people to panic, sell, and prices are going down again. Like, this this whole issue could be, like done away if people realize the future technology and growth of these type of coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, stuff like that. And I'll say this again right now. Right now is the time to be really looking at what you can afford to invest versus what you can afford to lose, making your own decisions and doing what you should do with your own money to invest in your own future. But I'll say this right now, right? I remember a time when Amazon was $6. I remember a time when Facebook, personally, for me, Facebook was $17. So it was almost $18 a share. It launched at the IPO, and it was 30 something bucks. Then it dropped all the way down to $17. And then people were like, oh, yes, Facebook is a crap stock, it's going to go to zero, blah, blah. Then I remember buying into Facebook at $17, and then things shot all the way up to $56 before I sold. But the thing is, Facebook went all the way up to $218 to $220 a share. What I'm saying is, nobody knows the exact future of these things. But one thing is certain, there is something there with blockchain technology, and with every type of like New York Stock Exchange and all these other big companies willing to invest in it, something must be there. And I'm not saying Bitcoin is going to always be number one. For all I know, America is working on creating their own legal tender of cryptocurrency in the form of a US dollar type deal to start, using that in the economy. Again, this is not financial advice, but all I'm saying is a lot of companies had major falls before they went up to their corrected price. So for anybody who's out there who's freaking out wondering what they should do with their Bitcoin or what's the next step, I would honestly say, for me, what I'm going to do, and this is what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue investing because that's the best option for me, because I'm not a multi-millionaire, I'm not even a millionaire, I'm not even 100,000 It's an escape, it's a possibility. I could spend money on video games, or I could just buy portions of Bitcoin and stuff every month and put some other money into traditional investments like stocks and, ETFs. But you have to realize that there are certain people who may not want you to be in a certain asset class, especially if they know it has true potential to grow. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the screen the whole time. I'm just trying to think because I'm like doing this video on the fly. It's just, I'm watching all these crypto YouTubers like talking about the ETF and the SEC and all this stuff. I really think that doesn't matter. Nothing has changed. All they're doing right now is shaking the tree of this financial possibility, the tree of this new future in monetary investment. They're shaking the tree. Anybody who's weak-minded or weak-handed will get out. And it's actually not a bad thing to get out if you can't afford it. And it's also not a bad thing to get out if you want to reinvest into a new position, a new or low. Those are smart moves. But if people are getting out just because it's like, oh, this thing is going to zero, I don't believe in it, then I honestly would hope that they will do more research into the project. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think. Comment below. And, yeah, is it scary? I guess. But then again, not really, because don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't put your whole mortgage or life savings into this thing. All I'm doing, again, I think I mentioned this before, I put like $500 a month away into cryptos. And every month, I'm going to keep doing that until it's either ridiculous to buy because it's too low, or it's ridiculous to buy because it's way too high and I can't afford to. So do what you will with your own money. I'm just saying, if you look at the past history, time and time again, this has happened. Don't be a punk little bitch. Look at your history and fight against the human urge to run. Take care.